Okay, so we've got a perimeter question here, and the first thing I can see is this rectangle, which makes a bigger shape later on. So if I've been told the height, and I haven't been told the width, but they have given me the area. Now I know the area is equal to the height times by the width. It's a rectangle's area, isn't it? So the area is 28, because it tells us in the rectangle, so that's 28. That equals 4 times by some number, which is the width. So if I divide both sides by 4, I should be able to find the width, shouldn't I? So 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 4 is 28, aren't they? So the width must be 7 centimetres. So I'm going to change that to 7. And now I'm in a very strong position because I understand the rectangle. So I'm going to start marking onto my diagram the length of each side of this strange shape. So this side we know is 4. The longer side we know is 7, and I'm going to keep marking on the ones that are easy at the moment. That's 7, isn't it? That one is 4. This one is 7 again, isn't it? And the side one is 4. And that one's going to be 7. And the top one's going to be easy as well. That's 4, isn't it? Well, we've got this awkward bit here. Well, I know the whole side is 7, and I've used up 4. So the remaining bit, here's the 4 I've used up, the remaining bit must be 3 then. So I've got a 3 and a 3. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start writing down these lengths that we're going to add up, these perimeter lengths. So choose a place to start with. I'm going to start at the 4 on the left. And once you've used it, cross it out so you don't count it twice by mistake. You might think that's easy now, I would never do that, but in the pressure of an exam, it's very easy to make some silly addition errors, and you know better. Okay, so do cross them out, and I'm going to keep going. And I reckon I've got 10 numbers to add up, and if they're not crossed out, I need to make sure that they are. Okay, now I'm going to check that I've got 10 lengths and I've got 10 numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So just a question now of getting my calculator out, adding out the numbers. Okay. So whack them into the calculator, and let's see what the total perimeter is. Make sure you enter 10 numbers into your calculator. I'm always quite nervous about doing this because in an exam it's so easy to miss one off or to count one twice. So be checking and checking and checking and checking. Anyway, I think if you did that carefully, I think the answer comes to 50. Alright, so I can see the answer now on the calculator is 50. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so that's my answer. So write a little sentence for the examiner. The perimeter is 50 centimetres. Okay, so let's have a look at the mark scheme. Good new students are able to work out the length of the rectangle with 7. Good. Well, but only a few people picked up 4 marks. That's a shame. I think you'll agree the question is quite doable if you're not in the exam, so just to get used to the pressure of an exam, that's all. And they didn't write the same thing that we did. So that's 4 marks.